Hello and welcome. I'm delighted to bring to the market this fully fitted, vacant, full canal view office space available in the heart of Business Bay. This office is 1,808 square foot, has been fitted to a very high standard and has a private pantry. The office is bright, well positioned and is available to buy immediately. If you'd like to book a viewing or if you'd like more details, please don't hesitate to contact me on the details provided. This is an office not to be missed and we don't expect it to be available for long. Thank you very much for watching and we look forward to seeing you soon.